Hello, today I wish to discuss about how to work with browser extensions. This session agenda is to discuss about introduction of browser extension. I wish to discuss about advantages and disadvantages of browser extensions, and I wish to explore about few state-of-the-art browser extensions, namely Appaloosa and Watrans. Browser extensions, also referred as add-ons, are the software or web browser based applications that assist users to extend basic functions from popular web browsers such as Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, etc. They can have different names such as browser extensions, add-ons, plugins. Almost all browsers supports the installation of additional functionality. The major advantages of browser extensions are it offers fast access and intuitive controls. It is cross-platform and adaptation of any browser. One can even integrate those objects that seems unacceptable, and it combines systems and cloud storage into single workspace. Drawbacks of browser extensions are it requires constant updating. Every browser needs own adapter versions of the program. They often require ability to read and even change everything on web pages, user visits, which can lead to unwanted accidents of data breaches. It may capture the passwords of a user. It tracks browsing history also. How to install Webalizer? I wish to tell step by step instruction to install one of the browser extension. First, we need to visit Webalizer by using either Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-ons. Then we need to add to Chrome or add to Firefox whenever needed. If you use Google Chrome means you just click add to Chrome. Then select add to verify. You can have your Webalizer installed. After successful installation, you can see the top right corner, that is the sections will be added to your browser, which is highlighted like this. What is the purpose of using Vaporizer? Means it is very simple and easy. It just searches any website you want and simply hover over the browser extension icon, click on it, and there you are. You can have the information you need. You can get to know about what are the technologies the particular website uses. For example, this is one of the course website which uses some of the technologies that is mentioned here. You can get to know about the metadata information about the that is website. These are the other examples. Here I have clicked the HackerRank website and got to know about the metadata information about the HackerRank website. And also you can get to know about which technology it uses. For example, HackerRank makes use of jQuery, Migrate, jQuery 3.51, and also made using WordPress. So I have listed examples. I have used that is I have clicked Geeks for Geeks website and got information about those website. This is another example. So in a nutshell, I can say Webalizer is used to get to know about the material information about the website. So this is a technology profile that shows you what websites are built and what can know with the help of Webalizers which technologies were used in the making. if he wants to make one, can easily work on those technologies. But keep in mind that these plugins are browser extensions also have some cons them, which can prove to be fatal if not paid attention. Next, another extension is Watrans. uh, this is another browser extension used for profiling tasks. The installation information is available in the watrans.com. It gives you a comprehensive list of information that includes widgets, fonts, frameworks, analytics, web server, and even operating system it runs on. It is also used to get on about the metadata information about the website. It is a free browser extension that reveals the technology used on your website. The fact that this is just a browser extension makes things a lot and less to worry about. You can get the option to follow unfollow website and to be notified whenever they stop using or start using any technologies. It has thousands of apps and technologies under their belt to help you instantly identify who might be using them. The interesting point here is you don't even need to register an account to use their service. Just download the extension and make use of this. This is the example for Watrans browser extension. Other alternatives also available for taking care of or making use of profiler, such as Hunter, Siftery, Stackshare, SiteStax, MyCodeless. These are the other alternatives. In place of what Vapalizer and Watrans, we can use these things. Hunter is a browser extension. It is used to find and verify professional email addresses. The full detail about Hunter is available in hunter.io. Sifter is another browser extension which shares product you use at work. It explores what others are using. The entire detail is available in siftery.com. Next one is Stackshare. It's the fastest growing community for software service tools, which shows all the software details a company is used and why they are using. And we can get to know about the community of engineers, CTOs, and other persons, other stakeholders. Actually, engineers or professionals make use of Stackshare to compare and discover new technologies, while companies use Stackshare to connect with the engineers. The entire data is available in stackshare.io. Next one is SiteStax for Chrome. Is a lightweight but powerful application to reveal the technology behind any website. The next one is MyCodeless. It's a website scanner that detects themes, page builders, plugins, and tracking tools. The entire data is available in mycodelesswebsite.com. So, how to implement browser extensions? Here I wish to show the implementation of browser extensions using JavaScript. First of all, we need to create a project directory, namely a folder, and followed by just create a manufactured JSON file which should contain the name of the browser extension, version, description of the browser extensions, and permissions, browser permissions, that is represented as a active tab. And when the user click the browser extension, what action has to be done, which is mentioned inside the action key. Here I have, when I click the browser extension, it will display the content which is available in the pop-up HTML, and the icon sources should be mentioned here. Finally, just mention the version of the manifest file. After creating the manifest file, we need to create a pop.html which contains simple text called hello world, which will be saved as a HTML format. Then that's it. Just open a Chrome browser, Mozilla Firefox browser. Here I just used a Chrome browser. Just click extension Chrome / extensions in URL and enable developer mode. We may have one button called load unpacked in the browser extension there. Next, in Mozilla Firefox also we can add that. Just type about add-ons in the Mozilla Firefox and click debug add-ons, and you can make use of the browser extensions in Mozilla Firefox. I hope you have got information about the browser extensions. Thank you, participants.